Do you all know the names of these 7 days of the week? Now, after a holiday, you all come to school the next day. The holiday is a Sunday, and the next day that you have to start coming to school again is a Monday. After Monday, there are many days in between. Let us learn the 7 days of the week in a playful way. I will sing a song and you all will repeat the song after me. Look at the picture of the steam engine running on the tracks. Will you all join me? Let us make a big train of 7 days and I shall be Sunday. Now, sing with me. Puff, puff. The steam engine says, "Oh, won't you join me? We will make a train of 7 days, and Sunday I shall be." Now, children, after Sunday comes Monday. As the lines of the song goes, "Let me join first," says Monday. "For I am in a haste" means Monday is in a hurry to join the train after Sunday. The next lines are "I'll follow you," says Tuesday. "I have not a minute to waste" means after Monday comes Tuesday. "I love to travel," says Wednesday. "So, may I come along too?" That is, after Tuesday comes Wednesday. "Just go ahead," says Thursday. "I have got to follow you." That means after Wednesday follows Thursday. "Well, here I am," says Friday. "I hope I am not late" means after Thursday comes Friday. And lastly comes Saturday, after Friday saying, "I am just behind." "The engine cannot wait," says Saturday. Children, did you all enjoy this train ride of 7 days? Now, let us revise the days of the week in the correct order. Repeat aloud with me. The 7 days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So now, can I ask you some questions related to the days of the week? This will help you revise the days of the week. Question: how many days are there in a week? The answer is, there are 7 days in a week. Question: which is the first day of the week? The answer is, the first day of the week is Sunday. Question: which is the last day of the week? The answer is, the last day of the week is Saturday. What comes after Tuesday? The answer is, Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Question: which is the day of the week after Sunday? The answer is, the day of the week after Sunday is Monday.
Days of the week. What's the day today? Oh, what's the day today? Why, it's a Monday. It's Monday today. I'll climb the mountain all the way. It's Tuesday today. I'll make a garland if I may. It's Wednesday today. The big bird flies a long way away. It's Thursday today. The breeze may blow. Yes, it may. It's Friday today. Oh, I've had a lovely day. It's Saturday today. It's a sunny day, a sunny day. It's a Sunday today. The week has just 7 days for us to work and play. But it comes around again and again, day after day. Write the name of the day of the week in the empty box. Today, it's Saturday. What day will it be tomorrow? Sunday. Yesterday was Wednesday. What day is it today? Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. What was the day yesterday? Wednesday. It was Monday yesterday. What's the day tomorrow? Wednesday.